Ultimate Juicing and Smoothie Recipes and Tips, Review Number 1. Have you ever wanted to know the most delicious and healthy juice and smoothie recipes but had no idea what to do or how to begin? Or maybe you heard it's expensive, time-consuming and complicated. I just came across an ebook that blew my mind. It is now my juicing and smoothie Bible. Here is my review of the ebook, Ultimate Juicing and Smoothie Recipes and Tips. Pros. These are absolutely up-to-date tips and tricks, accompanied by gorgeous photos, making it not only easy to understand but a joy to look at. Just as the author claims, these recipes are delicious and based on the latest nutritional research that found compounds in certain fresh fruits and vegetables that actually treat many illnesses and diseases. It's well researched, a great resource with outside-the-box topics to delight beginner and expert alike, juice recipes for better sex, recipes for your blood type, foraging for greens in your own backyard and much more. With accolades by physicians and an amazing low price, $4.97, this ebook is a bona fide treasure. Get it before the author raises the price. Oh, and did I mention that the author is the juicing expert for About.com? The author covers all the basics thoroughly, such as benefits, how to avoid dangers. Yes, there really are some significant dangers in juicing and smoothies, how to make juices and smoothies on a budget, when to use organic sea fruits and vegetables and when you don't really have to, easy recipes, and even recipes your kids will love. And did I mention he's made it all easy and fun to read? Never thought I'd have fun reading a recipe book. There was no frustration, which I so often feel when learning anything new. And the benefits. Bob promised results, and boy did he deliver. I felt so awake and energized after just my first lesson. After a day and a little abdominal stiffness, nothing too painful, and hey, I needed to know this really worked. I actually felt taller, stronger and more flexible. Plus, unlike any other juicing and smoothie book or video, he makes himself available for any questions and concerns. I thought this was a gimmick. No, he actually got back to me within a couple hours. His email response was thorough, but if needed, he offered phone or Skype contact. Very special. I truly felt I had a personal expert at no extra cost. He must really love this. His book covers soup to nuts. Step-by-step instruction on all the tips and tricks, a guide for beginners and experts alike, explains all the benefits and dangers, describes exactly what to look for when purchasing a juice or smoothie machine, reveals simple recipes that heal many diseases and cites the research to prove it, also recipes to improve sex, increase energy, lose weight, boost memory, delay aging and so much more. Bob Hannum obviously loves making fresh juices and smoothies and telling the world all about their amazing benefits. He clearly cares. A smart book. A real deal. A must-read for anyone who wants to improve their health. An essential resource for any serious juice and smoothie enthusiast. Cons. There's so much to learn. I wish Bob had made this into 2 books instead of 1, beginner and advanced. Bottom line, honestly, I've read every juice and smoothie book out there and this is the best, not just a good one, but better by far than all the rest. Don't even waste your time looking at other juice and smoothie resources, you've struck gold. Definitely one of the best wellness reads I've had in a long time. Highly recommend it.